All right, welcome. Today we'll be dealing with trig special angles. The name might be actually bulky for you, but this is actually where you are being asked to find sine something or maybe tan 30, sine 60, sine 30 without using calculator. Yes, this is the topic. Now, let me say you are asked to find tan 30, sine 60. Believe me, that this is how the question comes. But see what you should know. Follow me from this part now. In your head, you are assumed to know that there is one invisible triangle existing, which is an equilateral triangle. What we mean by equilateral triangle is that this triangle, all the sides are equal. And here is 2 centimeter, here is 2 centimeter, and here is 2 centimeter. They are equilateral, meaning all sides are equal. And when all sides of a triangle are equal, that means all the angles too are equal. So here is 60, here is 60, and here is 60. But in trig now, this is what we want you to do. Divide it into two equal parts. Yeah. By the time you divide it into two equal parts, here will give you 19, here will give you 19, and both sides is for both sides. Here is root 3, here too is root 3. So you are now having a right angled triangle. But remember what I told you in the previous video about SOHCAHTOA. You have to bring it again. Remember, SOHCAHTOA only helps you to remember. It can't solve anything for you. It's just an acronym. So in this case now, I'm asked to find tan 30. Remember, what did I tell you? How do I know my hypotenuse? Is always the longest side, and this is the longest side because this is the angle for my angle 90. So this is a short side, this is the longest. Likewise, this triangle too, this is the longest. So now in this case, how will I know my opposite? Because if I know my opposite, I will know what I will be. I will know my adjacent and I will know how to work. So if I should take here, okay, for this first one, we're talking about angle 30. So remember, I told you all the sides are 60, but the moment you divide this, here becomes 30 and here becomes 30. So I'm now talking about 30, angle 30 degrees. So I'm not doing anything with 60 again. I'm focusing here. So the moment I'm giving this particular angle, angle 30, here becomes my opposite. Okay, sorry, I didn't even update you before now. Immediately we divided here, all the angles divided. Likewise, the sides too. Here, that is 2 became 1 and 1. So this 30 degree, because it's the angle I'm focusing or I'm working on, the opposite, my opposite becomes 1. And my hypotenuse remain the same 2. But what I'm dealing with is tan. So that's where my SOHCAHTOA comes in. What do I need to work? Opposite and adjacent. So this is my hypotenuse from my 30 degree. This is my opposite. This is my hypotenuse. This is my adjacent. So for tan 30, my tan 30 will be equal to opposite, which is 1 over adjacent, 1 over root 3. If you use calculator, calculator will give you a decimal number. But in your options, you'll be seeing 1 over root 3. That's actually where you'll be caught. Yes. Then let's deal with the part of sine 60. So Sine 60 alone is trying to make me to leave every other angle, leave angle 90, leave angle 30, focus on 60 degree. So because 60 is my angle, what is the opposite? Root 3, because it's the side facing directly to it. So if I know this is my hypotenuse, this is my opposite, here becomes my adjacent automatically. But here I'm talking about sine. And remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So what is my opposite? My opposite is root 3 over hypotenuse 2. So this is my answer. And that's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.